be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today I'm doing another episode of my Fall in Love with Fall series, and this time, guys, I'm doing some Rustic Glam leopard print fall DIYs. I hope you enjoy. I started first of all by shopping my own home and finding these dollar store pumpkins. Now, I've given them a makeover over many years, but today I wanted to give them a leopard print touch. Now, I had quite a few meters of this leopard print fabric from Spotlight, and I have a lot of offcuts. So using those offcuts first of all, what I'm going to do, guys, is create strips about 2 to 3 centimeters wide. Certainly don't have to be perfect, guys. So what I'm going to do is take the very first strip and I'm measuring it and then cutting it underneath the pumpkin. I'm then going to hot glue it in place. Now the key here is that I'm going to overlap the fabric around the entire pumpkin. What I'm going to do first of all is take each piece and line it up straight, almost like lining it up with the lines in between the pumpkin. You're going to continue to hot glue the fabric until the entire pumpkin is covered. I then continue to cover the additional pumpkins in the same method. Now this wouldn't be a Chelle DIY without a touch of Chanel. So taking some Chanel ribbon, I tied 3 bows and hot glued them to the stems. I also took these adhesive rhinestones, guys, and I glued them to each of the bows. I then moved on to my second DIY. Sticking with the Rustic Glam theme, I picked up these beautiful tea towels, guys, in a very neutral theme from Big W recently. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick one out and decorate it for fall. Taking a template of a pumpkin from Google, I then cut out some leopard print fabric in the shape of the pumpkin. And what I'm going to do is just hot glue it to the very bottom of the tea towel. I then added some of these dollar store glitter stickers and I spelled out the word fall.
Driving to your place, but now the ground is shaking. Could be a phase, but it feels like it will never go away until we make up. I can't be myself. I never knew how much I need.
Once they were secure and in place, I then took these dollar store gold beads and I'm going to hot glue them around the entire pumpkin. Once it was all secure and in place, I then took another dollar store sticker, guys, and what I'm going to do is use the word hello and stick it above the pumpkin so it says hello fall.
I could be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. It should have been you.
I then moved on to my third and final DIY. I had this book stack, guys, that I did a few years ago, which is actually just lids off boxes. And today I wanted to give it a leopard print makeover. Taking the smaller book in the pink, what I did is I cut out the shape of the box and then I'm going to hot glue it on the inside.
When we were younger, we used to sit on the grass among the flowers. We just let the days pass by. People would tell us to get a grip of ourselves.
Once it was secure and all in place, I then took the white larger box. And what I'm going to do here, guys, is take those dollar store stickers and spell out the word fall in love.
I don't wanna grow old. I wish I could turn back time.
I'm then going to take some dollar store ribbon, and on the right hand side I'm going to overlap the raffia and leopard print ribbon and tuck it underneath and hot glue it in place.
It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed, we were free.
I'm then going to take this really pretty glitter leaf as well as this spotlight brooch, and I'm going to hot glue them on top of one another.
They found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17. When we got older, we tried to stay in touch, but we had to move on. Life ran away from us. If I could go back, be 17 again, yeah, I would, just to see all my friends running around the city, acting crazy like we used to do. I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed, we were free.
Guys, I'm absolutely loving Rustic Glam at the moment. I love incorporating wood tones as well as sparkly pieces, and I think it gives that warm, cozy fall feeling within my home. I love that I took simple and inexpensive DIY projects, gave things a makeover that I already had, and I thought they went so perfectly in the style that I was aiming for. Now, with the fall season fast approaching for my overseas friends, and with us finding time at home more these days, guys, now is the time for you to shop your own home. Find things that you can bring out. Bring out your fall decor from last year, have a look at it. There might be things that you don't like no more, but instead of getting rid of them, take a look at them and give them a new lease of life. Not only do you save money, but you'll also get a piece that looks brand new all over again. Clearly, guys, my tea towel is for decorative purposes only, but this is a simple and inexpensive way that you can just take a simple tea towel and create a look for each season.
Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever if I tried, 'cause every day I'm with you, I'm flying over the clouds. Oh yeah, yeah, I'm flying over the clouds, and I'm not coming down. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I
So guys, leave me a comment down below if your style this year is very rustic glam.
when we touch is when I really come alive. Ooh, I couldn't be without you now. I just can't see how, not even if I tried. Ooh, I couldn't be without you now. I just can't see how, 'cause I need you by my side.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to rustic glam leopard print fall decor. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. It really helps this channel. Don't forget to share the video as many times as you can. And I'd love most of all, guys, if you'd hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.